In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure and use data loss prevention policies in Copilot Studio to keep your organizational data secure. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to the Power Platform Admin Center using an administrator account. This is where you manage governance settings across your Power Platform environments, including the policies that control how data can be shared between services and connectors. Once you're signed in, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. Expand it if needed, then click Policies and choose Data Policies. This section is where data loss prevention, or DLP, policies are created and managed. These policies help prevent sensitive business data from being combined with services that may not be approved for organizational use. At the top of the page, click New Policy to begin creating your rule set. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for the policy. Choose a name that clearly describes its purpose so it will be easy to recognize later, especially if your organization manages multiple policies. After entering the name, click Next to continue to the connectors list. On the connectors screen, you'll organize services into categories: business, non-business, or blocked. This is one of the most important parts of the setup. Make sure Microsoft Copilot Studio and any trusted data sources you want it to work with are grouped together in the business category. This allows approved services to interact while helping prevent data from flowing into tools that shouldn't have access. If a connector should never be used with your Copilot, place it in the blocked category. When that's done, click Next and choose the scope of the policy. Here, you decide where the policy will apply. You can apply it across all environments, target only specific environments, or exclude certain ones. This gives you flexibility to match the policy to your organization's structure, especially if different teams or departments use different environments. On the final screen, carefully review your selections. This is a good moment to confirm that the connector groupings and environment scope match your intended security rules. If everything looks correct, click Create Policy to save and publish the settings. Finally, switch over to Copilot Studio and test your Copilot topics. The goal here is to confirm that restricted actions are now blocked according to the policy you created. Testing helps verify that your governance settings are working as expected before broader use. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick guides on securing and managing your Copilots.